vertically in before the side together. A quick three-quarter snap roll as he repositions once again. Dell has been involved in the creation of some very impressive aircraft, including one of the sisters to this airplane, the Yak-110. So we continue to watch in the slow speed configuration. Let's watch now as he pulls the throttle back just a little bit, stopping that airplane more or less in one spot in the sky. The airspeed indicator reads 0 at this point as he now hovers the aircraft and turns it into a helicopter. Now, here's where things got to get really interesting. Little puff of smoke to give you an idea of how slow that aircraft is moving right now. In just a couple of short moments, he's going to apply the power and actually accelerate vertically, again showcasing you this one-to-one ratio. He'll kick it off with a quick hammerhead turnaround. Another big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Del Collar. Again, a ballistic parachute, 8 motors that keep this thing in check, and a wing system that actually provides a whole lot of lift. You can tell us all about this thing, Eddie.
Yes, absolutely. So the Blackfly, it has 8 motors, all electric, powered by lithium polymer batteries, and with an incredible amount of thrust to take you from both cruise and hover regimes. The cruise right now, what Wyatt's doing out on the over the airspace is very similar to any fixed-wing aircraft. You've got a little bit of a lift from your wings, but as soon as you go into hover, it acts almost exactly like a drone with just a perfect position hold, something I've never seen in my very limited experience. But
smoke is on. The L-39. Push it right over the top of the target. Well, now that they all have new profile pictures for Facebook, we're going to bring in the Big 17 to give Randy a close-up. Hold your phones up. You're not going to want to miss the heat. Look, Randy Ball brings
You know what's really cool, Matt, is Bill Culberson flying his MiG 17.
What they had to carry, where they stowed the gun, because they couldn't carry the whole gun together. It had to be, then they had to reassemble that after they landed in the parachute. It's amazing what they went through and had to survive to just get to the front. The degree of
well, the P-47, they brought the troops in, they brought the supplies. These airplanes, Matt, originally introduced as escort fighters for those B-17s and B-24s. Something I'll point out, these pilots there on raise the landing gear up like that, are going to accelerate all the way to the blue line. That means they can safely return on one engine before they pitch.
Ashley's doing a fine job of that right now.
Sure is, an all-female crew. Beth Jenkins, Ashley Shelton on board, and who else is on that airplane today? Let's see. You know, Luke, we've been talking a lot about technology and the speed at which these designs change. Matt, you look at the advancements in aircraft design from
showcases the spirit and ingenuity.
The bomb bay is open, and it bobs away right now
Over Tokyo, Japan, on the Doolittle Tokyo Raid.
As our two Pacific bombers make their way on into the pattern, we look at Ms. Mitchell, an airplane that was restored by folks up there in Minnesota. What a day for the B-25. We see so many different varieties in the air right now, including
Now she pulls up. Give them a little recognition. All right, Vicki showing off a little slow speed handling of the 1944 Stearman.
the reason for the tilt rotor is to be able to provide the same type of versatility of a helicopter, but with speed, force, and at a fixed-wing airframe that has been achieved in states with the Osprey, up which flew some 33 years ago, March of 1989. It started coming into service
In the Optic Ghost. That older technology, though, that black smoke gives some away. Well, today he's got the burners on. Now, see how fast it is? That chute's got to go up there. And whoa, look, it's still fast. Still incredibly fast. That chute is out there tight. He's going to use a bit of the brakes. And we've got enough runway that it's not a big problem, but